All right. My name's Brian Coleman. In 2001, I actually had dental implants put in, four of them in the bottom of my mouth. And then, unfortunately, around 2014 and 15, I started having health issues like fatigue, thyroid issues, and eventually found out I was diagnosed with chronic Lyme disease. So I'd done some research and found Dr. Meyer's office online, and realized that my dental implants with the metal could be causing some of the issues that I had in my jaw. I would have brain fog, couldn't think straight, the fatigue was really bad. So I had Dr. Meyer take out the four dental implants, and sure enough, months after that, the brain fog kind of slowly started dissipating. Clearer head, easier to think. And we ended up, instead of doing another round of implants in there, we did bridges, so that way there's nothing drilled into my bone. I might be one of those people that is more sensitive to that type of thing. So just got the bridges put in yesterday, and feel great so far, and I'm looking forward to having these for a long time, and definitely feeling a lot healthier, and looking forward to the future.
Great. Do we have your permission to use this for social media?
We do.
All right.
We do.
Thank you. Would you do it again?
Yes, I would.
Thanks.
Absolutely.
Okay, great.